This is the latest news, summary of global geopolitics. Please like and write your comments. They are very important to us. Russia has developed a ground-based Hedgehog drone to defeat armored vehicles. Specialists of the design bureau Spectrum Engineering have developed a robotic platform Hedgehog, a ground drone for the destruction of armored vehicles. This was reported to TASS by the executive director of the organization Andrey Bratenkov. We have created a ground drone, Hedgehog, which is capable of carrying a payload of up to 5 kg. The range of its operation is up to 5 km. The platform is able to maintain mobility, no matter how it is turned over. We looked at the experience of using such drones abroad and came to the conclusion that we need to make the cheapest possible device. We plan to offer it as a platform for the destruction of armored vehicles. Also, now we are starting to think about the prospects of increasing the payload of the Hedgehog to 10 kg, Bratenkov said. According to the developer, the main purpose of the ground drone is the destruction of enemy manpower in fortifications, trenches, as well as enemy armored vehicles. The Hedgehog is created so that when the combat situation worsens, soldiers can launch a vehicle from the trench to the enemy that would deliver a mine to the enemy. Or they brought ammunition under the belly of the enemy's armored vehicles, because this is the most vulnerable place for all the equipment crawling on the ground, Bratenkov added. The executive director of the Spectrum Engineering Design Bureau also clarified that the new drone is wheeled. The tracked formula is technically more expensive in execution. In addition, on small-sized forms, the caterpillar has no effect at all. You will need to make incredible ground hooks. There is dirt or construction debris on the battlefield. The wheeled platform has a much higher geometric patency. This is the best option in terms of the cost of the process and survivability, the specialist stressed.